170 points on the Dow, or maybe we will be when we open, up over 100 on the NASDAQ, and look who's here, the Super Bowl himself. His name is Michael Lee. Has the war upset your bullish outlook, Michael?
Yes, Stuart. I don't have too much confidence in this administration to de-escalate this and send the price of oil back down to where it was around Election Day 2020. I think all of these sanctions, a lot of them are petty. They escalate this conflict. I think Russia was prepared for much of what we're throwing at them, and I'd say if these people in Washington knew what they were doing, we wouldn't be in this situation. And you run a real risk of putting a nuclear power, backing them into a corner so that things can get much, much worse from here. I don't think that's in Putin's best interest, but this is a dangerous man that I wouldn't really want to push into a corner like that, because the chances of escalation in my mind are much greater than they should be.
Okay. You have your largest holding is XLE. That's an energy ETF, basket of stocks all in an ETF, all energy. Okay, if that's your big holding at the moment, what did you sell to put the money into that into XLE? Big tech?
Yeah, I took my big tech position in half, sold the XLC, which is the communication sector, which has been hurting this year based on Facebook's inability to navigate the iPhone privacy or Apple iOS privacy settings, as well as sold some commercial real estate. So I own the biggest holding is XLE, and again, the bear case for energy, the bull case for energy was a supply-demand issue. And when you see contango in the futures curve, where you have to pay more for the front month contract than the futures contract, meaning it's very hard to get a hold of the physical delivery of oil at the moment. That's your thesis, your investment thesis, your bull case playing out right in front of your eyes. The biggest holdings in that sector are Chevron and ExxonMobil, both with very reasonable, well below market multiples, paying close to 4% dividends. So the wind is at their sails for this sector. So while all this noise is going on, whether it's the Fed raising interest rates, conflict in Eastern Europe, the economy's coming back online, a lot of forces, a lot of wind at the sails of this sector at the moment.
Okay, so energy is for you. Michael Lee, thanks for being here. We always appreciate it. I'll see you again soon.
Thanks, sir.
The market opens